My name's Lisa Evans and I'm a business storytelling consultant. So I speak on storytelling and helping leaders to create powerful presentations with compelling business stories. So as well as keynote speaking, I do coaching. I'm a TEDx speaker coach and speechwriter. What I love about speaking is the change that we're able to create. So when we give a presentation from stage and we can actually see the results that we're getting and the change that we can create in people, that's really a wonderful moment. I speak to many leaders and corporates as well as community groups and associations. So I didn't choose speaking, speaking chose me. I had a long career as a midwife for over 20 years, and then I had a sudden and severe illness which left me significantly hearing impaired, and that meant that I could no longer work in my chosen career. I had to find a whole new purpose, and it was in learning to hear and speak again using the amazing gift of a cochlear implant that I discovered speaking and became hooked on speaking. I discovered PSA in 2014. I did a bit of a web search and I was looking for a group where I could get together with like-minded individuals and learn and grow. And I went along to the WA chapter a couple of times as a guest before I decided to join. What I love about PSA is the community, the generosity of the guest speakers and the fellow members in helping one another to learn and to grow, as well as that support that we get and encouragement and camaraderie. I've attended a couple of PSA national conventions which have been fabulous, and as a member of Global Speakers Federation we're able to visit other countries, so it's great when you're on the road to be able to find a PSA or NSA group of people that you can hang out with, and I've just really enjoyed the learning and the growing through the generosity of fellow members and the training that's offered, as well as just those informal get-togethers to find out what other people have done on their journeys. So what I'd say to other aspiring speakers, if you want to have a long-term and sustainable speaking career, then it's great to be part of the PSA community where you'll get that support and you'll get the encouragement from people who really know what it's like, people who get and understand the highs and the sometimes lows of the speaking profession. And I think it is a unique profession, and only those who have experienced it themselves can really be that support person. So it is a fabulous organisation wherever you are on your journey.